How do you start in stock market? Where do you start in stock market? There are various platforms which are trying to teach you stock market in their own way. And I'm not complaining. I think every one of us who have been in market, they're trying our best to make sure that you become much more learned and much more empowered in your participation in market. We at Elearnmarkets have been in this journey for almost 6 years now, and we truly understand what really is needed to understand stock market. To make things affordable to you, to make things much more structured, we have designed a lot of modules which may be relevant for you. As a starter, I will always suggest you to start with smaller value programs and taste the water. There are enough content we are developing in our YouTube channel of Elearnmarkets. We have more than 500,000 subscribers now. So I'm sure that you will find value in that channel as well. But a structured module has its own relevance. And I would seriously advise you to start with some micro modules for specialized topics so that you can taste the water. And if you feel, yes, this is something which you want to take it to the next level, there are enough recorded programs or live programs hosted in our platform for your overall learning. I suggest go to new website of Elearnmarkets. Go to explore and check the 999 courses. These are brilliant repository of very good quality content. The content on each and every specialized topic. So if you want to be a beginner, Stock Market Made Easy is a very good program. If you want to learn technicals from basics, Technical Analysis Made Easy. If you want to learn technical trading, Made Easy is a good module. So we have been continuously developing this Made Easy series priced at 999 for you. Apart from that, if suppose you want free programs and you are more interested in consuming free things for the time being, go to courses here. And in courses, you see there is a menu where all the courses are there and there is a filtering option available. In price, just click free. You will get all the courses which we have or which we have curated from other people, which are free of cost, are available right here in front of you. So you don't need to pay anything. All these courses are right there. You just register in Elearnmarkets and take these courses. Very structured way of program which has been designed for you. If you feel that this is sufficient, take them. And if you want to go for advanced learning certified by any authority, then there is enough advanced courses available here for your subscription purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for becoming part of this family. Bye-bye.